This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Nicely renovated 3-bedroom/2.5 bath, fresh paint and new flooring throughout, updated kitchen with new shaker-style cabinets, quartz counters, and stainless steel appliances. Functional floor plan features large dining and family rooms, primary suite with private bath and 2 closets, private backyard, off-street parking, convenient to downtown, Norfolk Naval Shipyard, and interstate. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.